doing it. Ow. Shit. Ow. Shirt was trying to choke me for a second there. So, I am deciding to do something. See this here? See this? Do you see it? Well, of course you see it unless you're blind. Which I know quite a few people in this world are blind. So, is that window fucking open? Oh, holy shit. It's scary out there. I don't like that. I swear, I'm gonna open one of these curtains and fucking Demon Satan is gonna pop out of the ground. So you want me to do more sneezing? I don't know why I got so close to the camera like that, but whatever. So I'm gonna stick this up my nose. That's what I did the other times. It's gonna feel so weird. Some people were telling me to do quieter ones and louder ones, a mixture of them. So, exactly what I'm doing. Ow. My neck hurts. YouTube is probably going to get mad at me and take away comments for this. I don't have any more sneezes right now. Maybe it'll work better tomorrow. So, I am going to see you in the next one. Peace out, peoples. Okay? Because I gotta do test run number 1. And, shit. Let's fill the fucking stuff. I gotta throw that away. Can I make it? Ow. BN cars in the way all the time. I think I might have made a nosebleed. That or a runny nose. Can you see my garbage? No. Alright. Did I make it? I made it. I made it, you guys. Barely. Let me show you. There's 2 of them in there because earlier I was trying to do it, but, you know, I had to make up an excuse because, you know, people are saying you can stick it right in your brain, but I can't stick it up that far. So, peace out.